Unique design. This universal cable cord connector has 6 different types of cable inputs, outputs, and offers all the connectivity possibilities you'll ever need. USB to USB-C, USB to Lightning, USB to micro USB, USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to Lightning, and USB-C to micro USB. Charge and sync. This multi-device phone charger cable can charge virtually any device from any power source. It allows data transfer and ultra-fast charging up to $100 and Apple's fast charging up to $18. Keychain charger. Our Lightning, USB-C, USB, and micro USB charger cable is lightweight, portable, and easy to use. The magnetic design allows you to easily snap the heads together and hang it on your keyring. Power transfer support. This universal USB cable transforms your USB-C phone or tablet into a convenient power source when there are no standard charging ports available. Thanks to a proprietary chip, it can even charge laptops and tablets ultra-tough. Made of high-quality materials, this multifunctional USB-C cable, micro USB cable, Flash or Lightning cable features durable zinc aluminum alloy metal housing, a TPU cable guard, and 200 braided copper wires along the interior. Customer reviews. 4 out of 5 stars. Love this only. Wish I had purchased the longer one, 2 in a world that's constantly buzzing with tech. It's often the simplest innovations that make the biggest impact. The Rolling Square InCharge X portable keychain charger cable is one such marvel that stands out in the crowded landscape of charging solutions. This unassuming, compact cable has quickly become an essential part of my daily carry, and here's why it deserves your attention.